Welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to do a dessert smoothie, and I'm going to do the flavours of a cinnamon bun, which maybe like me, you like cinnamon buns, but you don't want all the extra carbs and fats and additives that might be in there. So I'm just going to make the flavours of that in a smoothie, which is a very healthy way to relax on a warm day. You could use it as a dessert, maybe even for breakfast. And I'm just using mostly bananas, which of course are high in essential minerals like potassium and magnesium, and also nuts. And nuts of course are full of healthy fats and plenty of nutrients as well. Okay, so first I'm going to make the nut and spice layer. I've just got here a quarter cup of almonds, quarter cup of cashews, quarter cup of walnuts, and I've roasted them, but you could just leave them raw if you prefer, and just crush them a little bit. And then to that I'm just going to add some cinnamon, just about half a teaspoon or a bit more if you like cinnamon. And cinnamon of course is really good to lower blood sugar if you have diabetes like me. So just put that in. Then we'll have about the same amount of cardamom. Cardamom is another very good spice. It can help lower blood pressure. And then some nutmeg. So just a bit of that. And then you can add maca powder if you like the flavour. And that of course is a bit like cacao, it's a good mood enhancer. So I'll just put some of that in. And also chia seeds, which is another superfood. So just mix that all together. So it just gets mixed up. So now for the smoothie layer. So what I've done, if you've got bananas that are getting a bit overripe, you could just put them in the freezer like this, and then just thaw them out a little, and then just peel them. And then they're great to use in smoothies or cakes or breads or any other baked goods. They make a great natural sweetener as well. Chop them up just a little bit and put them straight into the blender. Then I've got about 4 to 5 dates that have been soaking in boiling water for about 20 minutes, and just drain them and put those in the blender. And then we'll put in half a cup of any plant-based milk. And then to that you could also add vanilla if you like. I don't have any right now, so I won't put that. So I'm just going to blend it all together. So now all you have to do is layer it into a glass. Put a layer of nuts, some of the smoothie, a bit more of the nuts. If you find your smoothie mix is a little bit thin, just add a tablespoon of maca powder, and that'll make more of a good flavour too. And you can also just put it in the freezer for a while to thicken a little bit. So there we have all the flavours of a cinnamon bun in a delicious and healthy dessert smoothie. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.